Okay, I just wanted to show you guys a little demo of my Lyrec system. So this directly powers an isolation transformer, which then goes into that relay board. Right now this is set up for 2 speeds and not half speeds, though I could do that as well. I also have it set up built for an older motor, not mine. So mine takes a 12 UF, the older motor takes a 10. So this demo is not a perfect demo because of that fact. Otherwise, everything else is spot on. So the way that it's powering the motor and everything is exactly as expected. I'm doing the proper switching, relay switching for R, S, and T. 0 is always connected, and the cap is wired in as it should be. So everything's following the Neumann spec. I'm not going to show you the controller board because that's my secret, but suffice it to say, this LED means that the motor's on when it's illuminated. This is the tack switch for turning the motor on and off. The start motor is still wired into the normal, the electronics supplied by the lathe, and that would continue even with my system. Though I could also supply you an extra transformer for that, whatever, or I could just center tap the existing one. So my board does turn off the main coils while the start motor is on. There is an extra input that comes off of the start button that's inverted by the start button itself, that indicates whether the start motor is being turned on or not, and when it's on, the main coils in the motor itself are not powered. So same thing in this system. So I'm going to toss the platter. I'm going to turn the motor on, and you can see relays illuminated. Motor's making the same amount of noise as it always does. It's running no problem. It's not straining or nothing. You can see that the LED is illuminated. If I hit that tack switch again, it'll turn it all off and the motor will stop. You can see there's a little bit of weirdness, right? Because that is not the correct run cap. If I had the right run cap on there, it would be deadlocked right now. So that's the only weirdness. Otherwise, it's, everything's hunky-dory. I just turned it off, relay flipped off, and the motor will naturally come to a stop. Cool.